Can you say car? Car. Come on. Car. Can you say car? Cam. Cam. Can you say car? Car. Good job. Can you say car?
Car.
Yes, good job. Can you say sit? Come here. Can you say sit? Can you say city? Can you say city? Where does Daddy work? City. Come on. Can you say city? Can you say mama?
Mama.
Good job. Can you say papa?
Mom.
Can you say papa?
Sis.
Can you say papa? Papa?
Papa. Papa.
Good job. Can you say dada? Dada? Can you say dada? Oh! Okay. Falling down.